The potential for flooding caused concerns in some parts of Vermont today. Small ice jams formed in a couple of locations, and excess water led to flooding at one middle school. ABC 22's Matt Holderman joins us now live in the studio to further explain what happened here and what the school grounds looked like earlier today.
Thanks, Lauren. Yeah, this happened at Crosset Brook Middle School, which is in Duxbury, Vermont, and part of the Harwood Unified Union School District. Now, the Crosset Brook, which flows off of the Winooski River, surrounds the middle school, actually, and it does appear to have gone over its banks at some point today. But Superintendent Mike Licklider tells me that what caused flooding in parts of the middle school's first floor was actually underground water seeping through the school's electrical conduit. So you can see right here in these shots, it appears there is at least one electrical box near the school here that's in the brook, or possibly in a new path that the brook carved today. This was filmed around 3:30 this afternoon. Green Mountain Power trucks were on scene, as well as multiple PuroClean trucks, and the superintendent tells me the flooding today was more extensive actually than what they experienced over the summer, and it affected 7 classrooms on the first floor in the 5th and 6th grade wing, along with music rooms, the cafeteria, and the main office. In July, Licklider says they had water come in through their telecommunications conduit that impacted the building. The district has been working with contractors and the state the last 6 months to fix these issues, to make sure water doesn't get in again in the same way, but they weren't able to finish anything in time for today's rain and snow melting. So Licklider says their plan at the moment is to relocate students and staff who used those flooded classrooms to other parts of the school so they can resume classes. But first, he says they will need to ensure the school is safe for anyone to occupy. He did not give a timeline on how long that might take or when exactly the school will reopen. It is expected it will be closed once again tomorrow. We'll keep you updated on the situation, but for now, reporting live in the studio, Matt Holderman, ABC 22 News.